How to auto-reply to text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. Over here, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Select Driving and then tap on Customize Focus below. Here, tap on Auto Reply as shown. And then, select Favorite. This means that your favorites will receive an auto reply when this focus is turned on. They may choose to notify you anyway by sending urgent as an additional message. You can also view the auto reply message below. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here, tap on the Focus button. And then, select Driving. Following these steps, you can easily auto-reply to text messages on iPhone.